Hey y'all, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be working on my van, Mobile Van 001. Today what we're going to be doing is installing a tank drain onto my van. You guys will see later why I need this. And then I will also be upgrading to these V high flow couplers as well. Alright, so I want to explain the reasoning for the upgrades that I am doing in the van. First, I do want to talk about the Milton High Flow Pro plug set that I bought. And so basically these are a V-flow, so they have more airflow, and as you guys can see here is the M style that I've been using, standard fitting, and then here is the V style. And hopefully I can get this camera to focus if I can. And as you guys can see there, this one here has a lot more air going to it, so a lot more flow to the tool. And then also the best part, I needed a new coupler anyway, so I went ahead and upgraded the system. And the best part about this kit from Milton, I'll have the links down in the description, is they can still fit the M style, but then they can also fit the V style. So I don't have to change out all the plugs in all my tools. I'm only going to be changing out the plug on my Tornador for this one. The rest of the tools, I'm just going to keep running the M style. I'm going to go ahead and get on that. Alright, I forgot to talk about another upgrade I'm doing for the van. This also has to do with the air compressor system. This also specifically has to do with the air compressor itself. And so what I'm going to be doing here, instead of having it mounted jankily like I have it now, I just had to throw it in there. I'm going to be mounting this track system to the wood that I have in the van. And then I bought these, which what these do is they'll latch into each one of those. And then now I have two tie down spots. And then I have a heavy duty ratchet strap. And so what that will do is it will move the ratchet spot down on the van and actually mount it up to the wall, and then also hopefully we'll be able to move the shelf and the skid over. We can actually get the wheels back on it, and then we can also do the other things I want to do to the tank as well, like the tank drain. So as you guys see here is the inside of my van. You guys have seen this before if you guys seen other videos. What you guys probably haven't seen is how sketchily I mounted this air compressor. So as you guys can see down here, I don't have any wheels on it because it would not fit where the skid is, because you guys see right there is the wheel well, skid, and the shelf. There's not enough room, so what I'm going to do is move the shelf over some, move the skid over some, and then hopefully we can mount, have them up here, here they are. I can mount the normal wheels back on there onto the spindles, and then that will allow me also to put the new tank drain in. And then also, this is just ratchet strapped currently right there. What I want to do is mount the railing right here, and then I'll be able to strap it down lower too, so this ratchet strap doesn't come up and start resting on any of this stuff, because I don't want that either. So here I just wanted to reiterate why I bought this kit specifically. So you guys see here is Milton's M style one with their color coded system. Here I just, as you guys saw, I put the new plug on here. As you guys will see, that won't fully click in. But with this one's of course made for the V, so it fits up perfectly. As you guys can see here, if an M1 still fits up perfectly. So that's why I'm suggesting that you guys go and buy this kit specifically. are you gonna do? I'm sliding. As long as it's like 6,000 pounds right away on this thing. That strap's way more than this thing, please. Alright, so I didn't record the last part, but I'll show you guys here. As you guys can see right there, we got the bracket in, and now we're going to hook in the hooks and strap it up and see if it works.